In this session, I'm going to show you how the quick setup form works. When you log on for the first time, you'll be directed to the quick setup form. So this is a wizard which allows you to put in your press and plates data. The system will have default rates for a lot of the cost centers on the left hand side, but will obviously not know what presses you have and what rates you have for your plates. You get a choice of conventional and digital. So in this example we'll choose conventional. We'll put in a press. We'll choose from the list we have there. We'll say it's a Speedmaster 102, that's a B1, 5 colour press. It then asks us whether we need films or whether it's a computer to plate system. We'll assume it's a computer to plate. You can have more than one press, but in this example we'll just keep it simple and use one press. We'll say it's 5 units. The next question it asks us is the maximum number of colours per job you wish to print from this press. So the system goes up to 6 colours, and it's asking would we put it through twice. If we had a 6 colour press, would we still run 6 colour work on this press? So we'll say yes, we would run up to 6 colours on this press. Is it a perfector? In this example we'll say it is yes. What the system does when we specify perfector is it sets it up as 2 presses, so the system will calculate jobs potentially with both these presses. The perfector option will have the press always working as if it can do 2 sides in one pass, and the non-perfect option will never be perfect. It will always be doing one side in each pass. So having set this to perfector, the maximum the press can produce both sides is going to be 2 colours. Both sides. We now put in a charge out rate. Say it's £120, and a price per plate we'll say is £25. Next we're asked what the minimum and maximum sheet sizes are. We get a range of sizes to choose from here. In our example we'll go with B2 minimum and B1 maximum. It then asks us what the average running speed is on a short run based on 150 gram paper. We'll say 5,000 on a 1,000 run length, and then on a 5,000 run length we can push that up to say 8,000. Finally we get a summary and the opportunity to change anything that we put in. If we're happy with that, we can press finish, and what the system will do then is it will update various relevant cost centers in the left hand side. It will fill up press setup with the presses that we've put in. Plates will show the plates rates that we put in for our presses, and run speeds will be based on the run speed that we put in there. When we go into these cost centers we'll find that we can go into a lot more detail, but we now have the basics in. So after we've finished the quick setup we get the opportunity to go back in and put in more presses either for litho or digital, and once we've completed this section we do get a message asking us if we want to see this section again. If we don't, then we can tick that option and it will go straight into the standard homepage.